What's up guys, my name is Abbas Dash and welcome back to the channel. And आज हम लोग बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं. And today we'll be discussing about two very interesting topics. One is how to install Kali Linux in your system through VirtualBox, and second thing is how to install Python inside the Kali Linux, because many a times you might need Python in Kali Linux to do some of your own stuff like hacking and ethical hacking, as well as different kind of automation kind of thing. So you might need in Kali Linux. So today we'll be discussing and I'll show you how to write programs in Python inside Kali Linux. First of all, let's start and discuss how to install Kali Linux in your system. Then after installing, we'll move into installing Python inside that Kali Linux. Okay, let's get started. Like a Hellcat. So first go to this particular page, VirtualBox. So the link is in the description. Just go to this particular link, that is downloads. And what you have to do is, if it is your Windows host, then definitely you have to just click on this one, Windows host. And if it is OS X host or Linux based, then as per your requirement you can go. Then next is you have to download this one. Okay, this is the extension pack. This is the very important thing. You have to download these two things, and I have already downloaded, as you can see, the VirtualBox as well as the Oracle extension. Okay, so these two. So second thing, now you have to just double click this and you have to install it. Installation is very simple. It is just like next, then finish. Okay, so I have already installed it too. Then after installing, you have to also install the packages. So I'll show you how to install the extension also. So what you first have to do is you have to first just write get Kali. So after you writing get Kali, you can see the first link. The first ever link is you have to go inside Kali Linux. It takes you to the Kali Linux website and you can get Kali from there. Let's see where you can see. Yeah, you can go to virtual machines. As you can see, there are like lots of options here, but we have to go to virtual machines. Okay, so inside virtual machines, what we see the VirtualBox. We need VirtualBox, so download it. It's nearly about 3.8 GBs. Okay, yeah, thoda zyada hai. You can see like I have already downloaded it, so I'll just run it for you. Let's go yes, let's click on yes. Then so let's import. Let's try to import the second thing. Okay, so once you get it, you can see the import virtual appliances. Okay, so you can import, double click import, then it will be imported automatically. Then agree, click on agree, then import. That's it. Once you have installed Kali Linux, we have to go to the settings and check all the settings, like all the processors, RAMs, and we have to allocate the memory for it. So what you have to do is you have to click there. You have to click on the settings. Once you click on the setting, you will find this all dialog box like storage, network, and all. So what you have to do is you have to go to the system. Okay, so now let's go to the system. Yeah, inside the system you can see like motherboard, processor, and acceleration. So you have to allocate the base memory as per your resources. So I'll allocate around 2 GB. Then the processor, you have to choose the processor, and like 4 CPUs I have, like here the resources is 4 CPUs. Let's leave it in 2. Then acceleration, this is all by default. Yeah, that's fine. Then okay, click on OK. That's it. Okay, so the setup has been done. Now let's start the machine. We are ready to go. So once you click on start, what you have to do is you have to fold your hands and say, the mother of all Kali, please start my virtual machine. Okay, this is very important. Okay, otherwise it will not start. Okay, yay, the mother of Kali has blessed us. As you can see the blue screen here, like Kali Linux advanced option and all. So thank you. So next you can see the dialog box as password. So you have to write root, then you can write the opposite of root, that is TOOR. But when you log in, you will get an error. The password is incorrect right now. Why? This is of 2018 version, that the password and ID were root, but in 2021 version the password and ID is, let me show you, Kali. The password and ID is Kali. That's it. You are inside Kali Linux. Just look at this. Just look at this. So let's do a quick walk around of Kali Linux. What do we have in information gatherings? You can see we have Legion here, we have Matligo and all, Nmap also. And what all things we have in vulnerability assessment, you can see the same Nmap and all. Then we have web application, we have Burp Suite. If you want to know what is Burp Suite and a VAPT, just click on the I button. We have a different video for it. Then database assessment, SQL map and all, password attack, how you can attack the passwords and all. We have an application like SQL map and There are a lot of different, then reverse engineering, exploitation tools, and lot more, sniffing and spoofing attack. So there are like lots of applications which you can hover through here, and you can play around. Just don't play around, just learn. Okay, try to learn as much as you can, and that's it.